That's Lake Mead down there. We're going to drive on down there. I've got an underwater drone I'm going to put in the water. Let's get going. Welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. I'm Jack Tucker. I'm out here at Lake Mead, and I'm going to be launching an underwater drone just to maybe see what's under there. You guys probably have heard a lot of stories about stuff being found in Lake Mead when the water receded. Yeah, the water's down a little bit. You can kind of see how far down that water has dropped.
Load up a truck, it's time to roll. With hearts so wild and a common goal. Chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill. With the sun on our backs, we take our stand. Uncovering treasures buried in this land. This gold fever's got us running wild.
Imagine this used to be the boat launch right here, but you can tell it's down so far you can't even launch a boat here anymore. They've ripped all the boat launching pads out. So anyways, I got this underwater drone and I'm going to put it in the water and just kind of see what it does. I haven't had it in the water yet, so it's going to be interesting to see what it does. But anyways, I want to thank you guys coming along, sharing on these adventures. Please like, share, and subscribe, and yeah. Well, this is the drone, chasing Dory. So I got to haul all this down to the water and set it all up. Boy, it's such a drop off right there. Look how deep all of a sudden it just gets. It gets deep right there. One thing about this drone, it has a tether on it. I guess that's what you call this. It's a tether. So it can't get lost on you. Can't get... Whoa, there's fish jumping out there. Kind of scared me. Can't get tangled up, too. Pretty long tether on it. Okay, so this... Let's see, this is the thing, one here that stays back here with me. So let me just set this right here. Down there. This here goes out into the water. Okay. Because this here's going to float. I do believe, I think that floats. I hope that floats anyways. Okay. And then this here, oops. Going to hook onto this here. Now this, I heard a beep. Now this particular drone does have a pinpointer on it. So I could hook some, like find some treasures. And then it's got a net that I can put on it. And fish it up. Just set that right there for now. And then I got to get into here. Kind of a process you got to go through to get this thing set up. Like I say, I've never had it in the water, so I don't even know if it's going to work. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see if it works. First, I got to find this app. Let's see. It's kind of bright out here, too. So, chasing Dory. I think that's it right there. Okay. Next. Let me turn this on here. It's hard to see in the sun. Gotta get in the shade here. Okay, let's connect. It says connect. Connection successful. Okay. Start. Okay, so there looks like that's the camera. Okay, so let me set this down right here. And there's the camera. Yep, that is the camera. Oh, okay. Good thing I got boots on. Good thing I got some boots on. Okay, how do you start it? Let's see. Let's see here. How do you? Whoa. It's upside down. It's running upside down. Whoa, crappers. Is that the way that thing's supposed to work? Got me wet. It's not moving. Why ain't it moving? Why ain't it moving? I think it's upside down too. Something's not right. Oh, it's going now, I guess. Okay, so you push those and it sinks. Okay. Then you push this and it takes off. Okay, I'm going to the bottom. I don't see it anymore. I'm out of sight down there. You can see the rocks down there. I see rocks. It's not moving. It's got a range on it. It can go out quite a ways with this cord attached to it. That'd be funny if a shark took it or something, huh? Yeah, shark out here. You can see it out there. Okay, it's going out further now. It's going out further. Oh, here's the screen. You can see that. I see the front of that. See, and then I could cause it to go down. Oh, got me a stick. Oh, that's why that did that for. Okay. All right, this is my dog River. We call him River, but this is River. River's never been down here. River's probably never seen water before, so I'm gonna let him come down here and play around. You can see how far the water's down. This was part of the boat ramp, so they'd come here, launch their boats right there. Look how far down this thing is, all the way down here. Bet you there's some pretty big fish out there in that water. Live way out there. That thing's probably so deep. Sharks are out there. Whales. What you doing down there? Huh? What you doing down there? Did you find something interesting? I guess that's all there is to do around this place here. So pretty empty, and for a weekend too. I thought there'd be more people down here recreating. I'll look at some of that footage though and see if there's anything in there worth showing. I'll show you something anyways of that there. But anyways, hey, I want to thank you guys coming along, sharing on all of these adventures. Please get out, create your own adventure. Remember, life is adventure. So until our paths cross again, thank you everybody for watching. Please like, share, leave me a comment down below, okay? Leave me a comment what you think of any of these videos, and make sure you hit that like button. But anyway, till our paths cross again, you guys all take care. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and thanks for watching.
Load up a truck, it's time to roll, with hearts so wild and a come and go, chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill. With the sun on our backs, we take our stand, uncovering treasures buried in this land. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams never alone. With metal detectors singing in the breeze, we dig for the fortune, uncovering keys. With a gold pan in hand, we sift through the dirt. Each little glimmer makes our hearts surge. By the firelight's glow, our laughter rings as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings.
Stuff right there.
Fever's
We
got
did
us
good, man.
running.
The gold mine.
I got you. Feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams.
Oh, ain't that cool? Or is this like the three, I was gonna say something bad, but that don't work.
Is that better?
There you go, that's good.
Our laughter rings as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars, with our far. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. Never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far.